Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. I'm Irfan and welcome to the Revenx, where we learn, explore and experiment for the sake of knowledge. I'm here today as a solo participant in the 100x Engineers Gen AI Buildathon 2.0, one of the most exciting platforms in India for building real-world AI solutions. This hackathon is all about solving meaningful problems using generative AI and deploying those ideas at scale. Now let me start with the real challenge. Every day, police officers across India deals with crimes, but often lack access to clear legal guidance. Navigating hundreds of IPC sections or filing FIRs manually is time-consuming, error-prone, and inefficient. This slows down justice, wastes time, and creates confusion at critical moments. To solve this, I have built an AI-powered legal assistant specifically designed for Indian law enforcement. It understands natural language queries like what is the punishment for robbery or what is IPC section 302 and instantly returns structured, reliable answers. Now when we discuss how it works, the system uses RASA 3.6.2 for natural language processing and FastAPI as the backend and MySQL for structured legal data storage. There are two roles where public users can chat with the bot, check IPC details, and understand the crime classifications. And admins like legal authorities or police officers get access to FIR tools and secure data management. And when we talk about the key features of this application, we have a chatbot that answers IPC sections and crime-related legal queries. And from crime to IPC section auto mapping and classifications. FIR generation in PDF format and real-time interaction via WebSocket. This system can digitize police workflow across India, reduce manual legal bottlenecks and help officers to act with confidence. It is also a tool for legal training centers, government helplines and e-governance platforms. We are building this to be multilingual, secure and extensible, aligned with smart policing and digital India goals. I'm excited to get a feedback from industry mentors, AI leaders and government stakeholders.